Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In today's topic, I will be covering the nuances of PPDT, that is, picture perception and description test. Am I correct? No, it's not description but discussion. When I interact with many candidates, they always say it's description. With that view in mind, they end up in describing the picture in detail, which is not expected out of them. पिक्चर परसेप्शन एंड डिस्कशन टेस्ट, हम लोग इस टेस्ट में कैंडिडेट्स में क्या देखते हैं? देर आर थ्री इंग्रेडिएंट्स. वन इज परसेप्शन, सेकंड इज स्टोरी लाइन एंड थर्ड इज डिस्कशन इंक्लूडिंग द नरेशन. कॉन्फिडेंस कैंडिडेट्स का तभी पता चलेगा जब वो ठीक से नरेट कर पाएगा अपनी स्टोरी को. लॉजिक कैंडिडेट में है या नहीं, ये पता चलेगा कि कैंडिडेट कहानी को ठीक से लिख पा रहा है या नहीं. पीपीडीटी इज द important part of screening test that is conducted on very first day of reporting. Out of 15 candidates in a batch, many times only 2 or 3 are recommended for further procedure. Rest are all sent back. So you must take this test very seriously. It is not so difficult to crack it. You will be shown a picture for 30 seconds and then you will get 5 minutes to write the story. मैं अभी आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि इसमें क्यों इतना रिजेक्शन है. रिजेक्शन इसलिए है कि कैंडिडेट स्टोरी लिखते समय अपने आप को उस कहानी में नहीं ढालते हैं और प्रोजेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं. स्टोरी एक तो कॉमन नहीं होनी चाहिए, आउट ऑफ बॉक्स लिखो, इमेजिनेशन से लिखो, then only you will emerge as a leader and your batchmates will appreciate your story. Now maximum pictures will be giving negative feelings. You will have to bring out the positive impact. Now I had covered perception of the picture and writing a positive story. You must give a title to your story. Here comes the next stage, discussion. Discussion is the main part wherein you can impress the group, have an impact on them if you are thorough with your story. For narration, you will get 15 minutes time. In this time, you must revise your story many times in your mind so that you don't give any pause in between. For example, if you stop in between, then the GTO will ask for the next candidate to narrate his story. The main part of the discussion is the initiation of your storyline. If after listening to the other stories you find that some other candidates had written appropriate story, then please mention that, accept it. In this case, just don't defend your storyline because his story is better and don't bring out flaws. Bring out the better things in the stories of other candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, if you follow the advice given in this video, you will certainly be screened in. All the best. Thank you.